So let me introduce you to AnswerThePublic.com. Write this down because this is groundbreaking for anyone in digital marketing. This website is, oh my God, right? So you go to AnswerThePublic.com and you have this box there and you enter your keyword and then you click on Get Questions. It couldn't be easier than that. And I put neck pain. Neck pain, I could have put digital marketing, this was for a chiropractor. And what you get is this. 141 questions that you and I are asking on the internet around neck pain. We're not making anything up here. It's aggregating the questions people are asking around neck pain. Would you think that that's quite useful for us as digital marketers? Yeah, big way. There's that type of research used to take hours to search what are the questions. We used to go into related, you have the questions, all the how, all the where, all the which, the can, the will, the why, the when, the what's, they're all there. And what I do with this is I take a question, how relieve neck pain fast. Yeah, we don't type proper English, okay? It should be how to relieve, but that's the question that people are asking. So I took that question and I put it in YouTube, and this is what I get. Now I want you to get something here because this is like crazy. How many of the videos are actually answering the question? The answer is none. How many? None. Not one single one. The first one is 90-second relief technique. The second one is how to relieve a stiff neck, self-massage stiff neck, super fast. I looked at the first 30 videos. None of them. Not one single video is answering the question. The reason why YouTube is giving you that is because it doesn't have a video that says how to relieve neck pain fast. It doesn't have it. It's giving you the next best thing. What do you think is going to happen to your video if you have a video that's called how to relieve neck pain fast? It works every time. It's like, no, it's not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen for something that's super competitive, right? If you want, like, what is SEO? It's not going to happen for you, right? Because there's 26 million results. Right? So don't think that, oh, I'm going to do what is SEO and it's going to work for me. No, that's you need to have like maybe other questions. But it works. We've tried it time and time and time again, and we're like, what is FDCPA? We didn't make that one up. We said, what are people asking? Well, they're asking, what is it? We created the video, boom, #1. Just like that. Man, when I got this, I was like, seriously, is it that easy? Yeah, it is. It is like really that staggering. And I would just say make a move on this because she's talking about Answer the Public. I'm talking about Answer the Public. The more conferences you're going to get, a lot of people are saying like this is crazy. And by the way, Answer the Public is free. They're going to be charging money real soon because I'm on that thing like every day, multiple times a day. I don't make stuff up. I'm like, I don't know what you are looking for. I don't know. Answer the Public tells me.